Hey guys, happy Saturday. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jen if you don't know me, and subscribe. It is Saturday today, and you know what? I said I'd vlog today. I was gonna film a sit down video, but I wanted it to be more chill, you know? You feel me? You feel me? So I'm gonna vlog today. I'm also have so much to do. I want to do, I want to play with makeup for a while. There's this look I want to try do. I need to take care of Cooper, which is what I'm gonna do now. This cute, handsome boy is waiting for me to bring him to the field. I know. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to get suited up in my waterproof pants and my coat as well, because sometimes there's nettles in there. So I don't think it's going to rain. But plan of action for today, I need to clean my beauty room, just that I'm looking at it right now. I need to go to town because I need to bring back a top, and I need to cook my dinner later. I think for now I'm going to go get ready for the walk. Okay, so this is the outfit. I have my coat. I'm going to be putting on my wellies. Well, these are my mom's wellies, but boom. Oh, this one's backwards. Boom, now all set to go. Let's get the boy. You come in. Do you want to go to the field? Or do you want to go for a walk? What do you think? Do you want to go? Yeah? Okay, let's go. Let me just explain something here. All this used to be bushes, and like all this used to be bushes, and all over there. What's up? Are you okay? Do you want your breakfast? Are you hungry? Quatso. Looks like someone's hungry. Do you want your breakfast? I know, you're hungry. You hungry? Are you hungry? No. Are you hungry? Now, sit. Good boy. Wait. Go on. It is so hot out, yet it started raining. No idea what I'm gonna do. Do I go to town if it's gonna rain? I don't know. I'd like to go in and bring that top back though, and I also want to get a necklace. Okay, what's the weather like? Oh, I need to charge my phone. It doesn't say it's gonna rain, like. So I don't know, is that just... The sky looks quite dark now, to be fair. Do I risk it? I think what I'll do is I'll make my list of what I want to get done today. I will have my breakfast and I'll go from there, because it's now just gone 11 o'clock, so it's still quite early. So I have no problem going in. And on a day like today, I can't imagine there being a lot of people in town, even though it is Saturday. So the only thing I want to do is I want to return my Topshop top. I think I might have a shower because I'm a sweaty mess. Okay, so I've decided I'm gonna go to town. The weather is kind of unpredictable, and if I stay at home, I'm not going to do anything. I'm literally just going to watch Dance Moms all day. So I'm going to go into town. I'm going to bring back my top, be a bit productive. I also need to get some more multivitamins, so I'll head to Boots. I don't know what it is. I'm so tired today for some reason. I'm wrecked. My body's just like, ugh, stop moving. I had my breakfast while watching Dance Moms and stuff, and I really enjoyed it. But then, I don't know, I feel like I need a nap. Like, it's only like 12:15 and I need a nap already. Not good. It's just one of those days. Oh, let me start getting ready. Like, can we just talk about the state of my beauty room right now? Like, okay, so this is my work area. That's not too bad. But then we have just stuff literally everywhere. Oh my god, they're my misguided packages. Like, why do I still have them? And it's just a bit of a mess. That's on the agenda today. Clean that. Let's go. Come on, Jen. Get off your ass now. And let's be productive, okay? Let's go. Okay, I'm ready to go. I finally got up, finally got changed, ready to go. Do you want to see what I'm wearing? This is what I'm wearing, just my leggings. I'm wearing my white Air Forces, this nice t-shirt that I got from Misguided last week, and just my denim jacket and my hat. I also have an umbrella, hand sanitizer. I have my mask for the bus. I have my top, have my money for the bus, have my AirPods, and I think we're good to go. Let's go to town. Okay, so I am back from town. You know what? It was actually just like a small trip. It wasn't too big. I literally went in, did what I had to do, came out again. So yes, I'm home now. It is 10 to 4. So I think I'm gonna start with the beauty room first, and then I'll probably do my own bedroom. Okay, so what do we have in here? I don't even know where to start. I'm not going to lie. Okay, let's just get in here anyway. And let's go. Okay, so I'm currently watching Showman. That's what I was just jamming out to. Okay, it's way later now. It's 8:10. Last time I talked to you, I think I was cleaning my beauty room. After that, what did I do? You know what? I was gonna clean my bedroom, but I ended up lying down for a while and I was actually just physically exhausted. Like, my body was like, stop moving, stop moving. So I was like, okay, no problem. I chilled for a while. I watched more Dance Moms. I made my dinner. I had chicken and roast potatoes for my dinner. I relaxed. I listened to music. I just listened to my body, and my body was like, okay, relax, chill, don't do anything. So I didn't do anything. And I was watching Greatest Showman, and you know what? I'm full of life now because I just had a jam sesh and I just love The Greatest Showman. Such a good freaking movie. Tomorrow's a new day and I will see you then. Sunday, guys. I've had quite an easy morning. As you saw, I had to clean up the house because my mom and dad are coming home, and I also had breakfast. I also cleaned my room, which I know I was meant to do yesterday. So I wanted to show you actually what I got recently. I've had these bags in my room for quite some time now. I said I'd show you because I normally do all my hauls and stuff on Instagram, so if you follow me over there, definitely check that out. I haven't done a haul on YouTube for a while, but I'll still show you what I got. I got this dress in Bershka, so it comes to like just under your boobs, and then it's quite flowy and like it's loose, and you know what, it actually looks really nice. And then I got this top, Bershka as well. I'm still unsure about it. It's really cute, really nice. I might have to wear like a top underneath it because it's quite low. Okay, so then the next thing, I got this in H&M. I got another top, but I've worn that, so I have no idea where that is. So I got this cute little crop top. It is so soft, this material. Oh, I love it. But it's so soft. It comes up here. I think you can put it over the shoulders as well, but it looks so much nicer when it's up like this. It's cropped. I wanted to get tops that I could wear like going out for drinks or going out for food, that I could wear with jeans and not have to wear like a dress the whole time. I suppose the last thing that I got is I got these shoes in New Look. So I always go to New Look for my shoes. A small heel, not too big, and a strap. I needed a new pair of shoes that were comfortable to wear going out. Look how cute they are. Oh my god, they're so nice. I really like these. If you want more hauls and stuff, definitely follow me over my Instagram because that's where I do all my hauls. Whenever I get stuff ordered in, straight up on my Insta stories. Oh, mom and dad are home. Caravan, by the way, if you can see that. Hey guys, I'm just editing there and I realised I forgot to end my vlog, and I also just realised that there's enough footage, so thank God. I also need to go for a nap, so I need to start editing this. But thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you next week on Sunday at 7 p.m. Bye.